Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay in Egypt. First, ensure your device supports Apple Pay and that you have a compatible credit or debit card from a supporting bank. Open your wallet app, then tap the plus icon to add your card details securely. Follow the on-screen prompts for verification, which often involves a quick call or a text message from your bank. Once verified, your card is ready for secure transactions across the country. Many hotels, restaurants, and major retailers in Egypt now accept contactless payments, including Apple Pay. Look for the contactless payment symbol, which looks like 4 curved lines, or the Apple Pay logo at checkout. To pay, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch, then hold your device near the reader. Your payment will process swiftly and securely, often without needing a signature for smaller amounts. When using Apple Pay in Egypt, be aware of potential currency conversion fees from your bank, so check their policy beforehand. Always confirm the amount on the payment terminal before authorizing your purchase to ensure accuracy. Apple Pay adds a strong layer of security, as your card number is never stored on your device or shared with merchants, protecting your financial information. A reliable internet connection helps for initial setup and some transactions. If a transaction fails, first ensure the terminal accepts contactless payments and that your device is close enough to the reader. Sometimes, restarting your device or reselecting your card in the wallet app can resolve minor issues quickly. Using Apple Pay offers remarkable convenience, allowing you to carry fewer physical cards and enjoy quicker checkouts. It's a secure and efficient way to manage your purchases while traveling or living there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.